I mean, I always knew you could do it, guys.
What?
Compare sa Manila. Maayong buntag sa imong tanan sa currently at the airport. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated ka. Cebu Pacific Airplane Flight J2001 like it's 4:26. Minor fit check lang. Akala mo talaga may check sa fit. So I'm just wearing my brother's jorts, my brother's t-shirt, my brother's shoes, and backpack ni mama. You know, I don't really own stuff. So we're boarding. Let's go, front row seat recipient. Yes, A1, and we will be flying with Cebu Pacific this time. You know. And let's go. Here's cue the music. Nakikita ako parang nag-wave siya. Sino yun? Si Queen! Dito malayo pa lang nakita ko namimigay sila ng pagkain and gutom na ako. Syempre, kung na-ready ko alam and ay, thank you po! Sa isip ko talaga, goodbye Philippines and hello Davao! Oh my God! And syempre, since nga unang araw ko dito sa Davao, I mean, pinakaunang best ko pumunta, antayin natin si Tita to pick us up para iikot tayo sa mga sukit na lugar ng mabilisan since gagawin ko naman siya ng solo. Punta kami sa Crocodile Farm kasi that day meron rin silang flight going to Manila. Punta kami sa People's Park, sa Crocodile Farm, then a bunch of other places na nakalimutan ko yung name but it was really good. It was really nice. And yeah. At this point, di ko ma-explain yung init kasi iba talaga yung init dito. Like, After that, kumain na lang kami sa Jack Ridge and dumiretso na ako sa aking hotel and boo. So the lighting is not really good kasi isa lang yung umiilaw. Diba? Sino ba naman kasi nag-book ng flight na yun? 5 a.m. Alam mo kung ano oras na kami umalis? Umalis kami 6:30. 5 a.m. dapat umalis na yung aeroplano. Ay hindi, mali. Actually, yung actual lipad na airplane is around 7. Tapos umalis ako ng bahay 3. So, it's CJ here. That's SWJAY. Ayun, maayong buntag sa imong tanan. And as you can kailangan ko gamitin yung Sebpas ko or else sayang siya, diba? Sayang. So, nag-book ako. Iniisip ko kung saan ako pupunta. Cebu. Pinok ko, Davao. Kasi kasi alam ko may something dito eh. Ito talaga ginamit kong bag kasi feel ko parang foreigner vibe. Kasi pag nag-luggage na naman ako, parang yung ewan. Ito at least dito feel ko yung pagiging traveler, adventurer ko. Anyways, going back. So, impulsively pumunta ako dito and ayun, punta ako sa Davao. So, hindi nyo man alam, you might not know, Bisaya ako.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm Bisaya. Like, what? I'm Bisaya pero hindi ako lumaki sa Bisaya. I was only here for hindi ako lumaki sa Davao. I was only here for 4 months after birth. Then, lumayas na ako and naging, what do you call this? Natagalified. Natagalified ako sa Mandaluyong, San Juan. Sabi nila mga Chinese, mga Korean. I don't even see it, but okay, I'll use it. Then after that, the durian capital of the Philippines. So ayun, I'll be staying here alone sa Davao for 2 days. Then pipick up ako ng aking bloodline papuntang Tagum. Then I don't know where nasusunod, either Panibasan or somewhere. So just to meet the fam kasi I haven't met anyone. Like the only people that I've met is my Lola, one of my cousin, two of my cousin, then that's it. I haven't met any other people. So this is gonna be the first time that I'm gonna meet them. You know, first impression last. Kaya we're gonna be speaking Bisaya for the entire video. If I can. That's the challenge. If kaya ko magsalita ng Bisaya for the entire video. So as you can see, ito na yung room na binuksan ni Mama. Kasi dapat i-judge natin. So first we have this. Next we have this art. Next we have this very small TV. Then they have a Wi-Fi, then a small table here, and you know, the lights. Then a bed with a mirror on the side. Anyways, and here makita mo yung area. Nasa harap ako ng North Point, which is a popular, I don't know. Then andun yung other mall sa side. And wala akong alam sa kahit anong daan here. Kaya, please bear with me kasi mawawala tayo kung saan. So again, the challenge is to speak Bisaya for the entire video. If ever na hindi ko magawa, well, there's gonna be a punishment which I don't even know yet. Budot stakay na ata sa Davao. Arizona BX for budots. Naisip ko lang, since Davao is the promise, the land of promise, andito na kaya yung parang organic. I don't even know the purpose of this mirror, but okay. Just have to look at myself and indulge. You're so beautiful. I really like you. I don't even know what to eat, kaya samahan niyo ako. We're gonna buy some food and magsa-start na yung Bisaya something once I'm out. Okay, I'm still speaking English or Tagalog here kasi nasa loob ako.
Yung kanin sa kaya kainin niyo yung sa kanin, yung dalawa. Yan.
So karon waad na tao gawas kay gigutom na ko. Kuya, wow. So naano ta sa gawas. Vertically nga dire kay daghang tao. So today isn't actually the day one kasi wala talaga nangyari. Though there are things that I've done. Since naman ako ni Tita before siya pumunta ng Manila, pumunta kami ng Crocodiles Park ng Jack Ridge or something, Jack Ridge. Then pupunta kami ng church. Then pupunta kami ng People's Park. And I forgot the rest. So tomorrow will be the real agenda. It's currently 7:52. bought something instead sa Japanese store. Sa pasalubong nila Lola. Since I'll be heading to Tagum Memorial 1. Yan ang init. Saan ba ito papunta? Palabas. Init. Grabe. Iba talaga yung init sa Davao. Parang feel ko free trial sa MPR. Good coffee shop. Moana 2, it's been released tagal na. Impulsively, bumila akong ticket for Zootopia 2 because it's only $250 or $200. It's cheaper talaga here compare sa Manila. Manila, $380 na ata eh. Tapos yung weekend, $200 lang eh. So around 12 yung show ko. Mainit pa naman sa labas kaya di rin ako maglalakad. Yeah, we're gonna watch. Tapos ko lang manood ng sine. And baga pa ako ng cafe to charge my camera as well as my phone. It's currently $250. I have no idea where I'm around St. Louis. Papunta tayo sa People's Park kasi I heard na merong masarap na kalendarya around there. Ito daw yung oldest mall here sa Davao, yung Gaisana Grand City Mall. Luckily, puro ulap na yung langit and I can walk. Hindi ko na kailangan sumakay ng jeep. Anywhere is walkable as long as you can walk. Yung durian ice cream yesterday, durian charcoal and avocado, I thought hindi ko siya magustuhan but it was really good. And we just arrived sa People's Park. As you can see, it's Davao City. And yung saan sila kilala, which is yung durian. And of course, yung eagle. I think ano to? Anong flower ba to? Orchid? So, I wasn't really able to explore it entirely yesterday. So, we're gonna explore. It's currently 3:57. We're just gonna walk around kasi mas mahangin dito compare sa labas. Even though sa labas mas maraming puno. Dito ka magme-make wish. Traveling alone had me thinking. Walking from random places and things support. Magkano pa yung pineapple? Isa pa. So walang mapuan sa labas, so bumalik ako sa loob. Every fiber counts ba? Puro meet ako late, yeah. I really need this fiber. Bawal yung stick, kinakain ko lang siya through here. I mean, microplastic is just plastic. Mas plastic pa yung... Anyways, speaking of plastic, may release akong kanta about plastic. I think I'll release it real soon. Actually, patapos na siguro. I mean, tapos naman Tatamad lang ang mga video. Daming fruits dun, natag 20 lang. Pero nagkikibang pa. Ay, habang wala pag bibilang ice cream. Tagpila man. Kaya tagpila yung assorted.
Saka 24.
30, sir?
30.
Ay, pila ba ito?
Usak. Nag-iba yung flavor nila today. Kahapon yun avocado, durian, and charcoal. Tapos ngayon, charcoal, mango. Either mango or durian pa rin. Then ube. Ang sarap ng ube. Actually ngayon, ube yung favorite. A flavor ko in terms of milk tea or anything else. Ube is just that good, you know. I'm not sure kung anong yellow. Hindi siya lasang mango, hindi siya lasang durian. Kasi yung durian kahapon lasang durian candy. And this one, lasang siya. I don't know. Siguro mango pero super light lang. Hindi siya yung parang artificial mango. I forgot. Congratulations to my friends na pumasa ng RN. Like, slay my divas. I mean, I always knew you could do it, guys. Kaya na yan eh. Kaibigan ko kayo eh. Basta kaibigan ko magkakalit. Oh. Isa pong mami.
Dining.
Cup. At this point, mas malakas na yung background music kaysa sa boses ko. Kaya, ayun, kumain na lang ako na tong lomi. Though, masarap naman siya. Okay lang lasa. I had better ones. Pero okay, dahil marami siyang meat. And ayun, nag-cook tayo with our pinky up. Pwerte ka, busog na ako, bay. May busog na ako. Ano nang kinain? Sunod. Parang puro kain ang ginawa ko. Wala ako mag-jogging. Para check natin tong fee admission kasi may fee admission tapos cinematic like THEQUE. Yeah, cinematic. Let's see what it's all about. Sana walang pre-registration or meron. Hindi pa meron. Yeah. Papasok ko na. Morning. Hi, good afternoon. Meron pa pong slot for 6 p.m. Yung...
Yes, 5 p.m. yung palabas. So,
Ah.
nag-start na.
Ay, yung 6 po, yung free, delivery po.
Yes po.
Ay, ngayon po.
5 p.m. po yun siya.
Thank you. Wala pa akong school since I graduated.
Okay lang.
Kahit wala kang
Okay na, okay na.
Okay.
Okay na, wala.
And yung show, it was about Chinese Coast Guard versus other fishermen in Subic over Scarborough Shoal. Ano siya? It was a real documentary kung saan nawala yung 4 fishermen. Okay, and then tayo sa Rocas Night Market. Actually, it's pretty lively. Baka mag-uwi na ng pagkain. Kasi I'm still busog. At this point na overstimulate na ako kasi ang daming tao and majority din sa mga binibenta is ihaw. Kaya ayun, napaisip na lang ako if maglalakad na lang ako or mag-jeep na ako pa uwi dahil doon na lang maghanap ng light snack. And yun, see you guys sa next video.